Welcome everyone. In this video, we are exploring another free online learning platform called Future Learning from top universities, which offers free short online courses with the free certificate to help students and professionals to improve their skills in information technology, computer science, artificial intelligence, digital marketing, business and management, so on. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like, share and press the bell button to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. Let's begin. Click the link in the description to the Future Learning official website. And how do I get the free courses? First, you have to register with your Gmail or Facebook ID and password. Once you registered successfully, you can explore all the content. Now click on Explore Courses. It will show you all the short online courses page. Keep scrolling down for more courses. You will see a list of subjects and the related courses. The subjects are Business and Management, Creative Arts and Media, Nature and Environment, Politics and Society, Healthcare and Medicine, Science, Engineering and Maths, IT and Computer Science, Teaching, Language, Study Skills, Psychology and Mental Health. Click on each subject. You will have various topics: course provider, course title, description, and duration. Further scroll down for course subscription. Then select free digital upgrades. You will see 56 free courses available to explore. By clicking each subject, it will show you various courses. By clicking Business and Management, there are 15 courses available. Select a course and start learning by clicking Find Out More button, which redirected to another dashboard with course provider, course title, rating, description, duration, weekly study. Further scroll down, more details, overview, syllabus, start dates, requirements, educators, what's included, learner reviews, more courses. To start learning, by pressing the Join Now button, it will redirect to another dashboard with full course content and related videos. Keep completing all the lessons. Also, you can check your progress and assessment scores by completing Test Your Understanding. Before begin the test, read the test rules and grading. Then click the Begin Test. Enjoy learning. On completion each course you will get free verified certificate. On the main menu, by selecting Your Learning, which shows you all your courses. Once you've earned a certificate of achievement or statement of participation, it will appear under Achievements. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will be very useful who is looking for online courses. Please subscribe and leave a comment if you require any particular course. I try to get it for you. See you on my next video.